Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to manage verification number Alibaba application on computer. So how to manage verification number Alibaba application on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Alibaba application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Alibaba. Just move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are many options. Tap this profile icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. And then tap the account menu. Many menu options will appear like this. Tap the Manage Verification Phones menu. Here you will be asked for an email verification code, which is sent to the email you listed in this account. Next, tap Submit. Next, enter your active phone number. Tap Request Free Verification Code to get an SMS code. Enter the code here. After finishing, tap Submit. So that's it, tutorial how to manage verification number Alibaba application on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.